Namaste Vidya. I, JVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Mathology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is what is direct access file. So before we discuss direct access file, we study about what is file and how we required a file, what is the types of file access method. So basically information is kept in file reside on secondary storage. When this information is to be used, it has to be accessed and brought into primary main memory. Information in file could be accessed in many ways. It is usually dependent on an application. There are three files access method: sequential access, direct access, and index sequential access. Sequential access means a simple access method. Information in a file is accessed sequentially, वन रिकॉर्ड आफ्टर अनदर, मतलब एक के बाद अगर एक आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस की जाती है, दैट इज योर सीक्वेंशियल एक्सेस. टू प्रोसेस विथ रिकॉर्ड ऑल द वन टू वन रिकॉर्ड प्रीवियस टू वन मस्ट बी एक्सेस, मतलब एक के बाद एक रिकॉर्ड हमारे यूज होते हैं, एक के बाद एक रिकॉर्ड हमारे प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं, तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, सीक्वेंशियल प्रोसेस एक्सेस बोलते हैं. सीक्वेंशियल एक्सेस इज बेस्ड ऑन द टैप मॉडल दैट इज इनहेरिटली अ सीक्वेंशियल एक्सेस डिवाइस. जैसे कि एग्जांपल हम ट्रांजेक्शन जो करते हैं वो सारी फाइल्स हमारी सीक्वेंशियल होती हैं. अब डायरेक्ट एक्सेस की अगर हम बात करें तो व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट एक्सेस. सो बेसिकली डायरेक्ट एक्सेस, समटाइम इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू प्रोसेस एवरी रिकॉर्ड इन अ फाइल. इट मे नॉट बी necessary to process record in the order in which they are present. Information present in the record of a file is to be accessed only if some keys value in that record is known. In all such cases, direct access is used. Direct access is based on the disk, that is direct access device, and allow random access of any file block. Since a file is a collection of physical block, any block and hence the record in that block are accessed. For example, master file database are often of this type since they allow query processing that involve immediate access to large amount of information. So all the reservation system fall into this category. Not all operating system which support direct access file. Usually files are to be defined as sequential or direct at the time of creation and accessibly according later. So sequential access of a direct access file is possible, but direct access of sequential file is not access. So I hope आपको इस वीडियो में क्लियर हुआ होगा what is direct access. If you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.